Anyị bụkwanụ ndị egwu ndị ogboloko, anyị jaa ya na egwu adegbu udo ndị obodo anyị o. Anyị tụsịa na egwu na anyị ga-amụ ụlọ n'ụwa, anyị mụsịa n'ụwa na ngidi mara ego akwa. Welcome to Enuani Cultural Forum. In case today is your first time of coming across our videos, I'm encouraging you to please subscribe, like our videos, comment on them, share to your audience. Today, I'm going to explain to us the meaning of this cap on my head, OKPU-AGÜ. Why is it called OKPU-AGÜ, and how should you wear it as an Igbo man or woman? Now, I've had a lot of comments, people telling me that you're not supposed to be wearing this cap. This is not our cap. You are a sellout. And I laugh. I wear baseball cap, which is not an Igbo cap. It is a cap of people from the western side of the world. Baseball cap is not our cap. This one is our cap. I have seen people also say that this is a winter cap. This cap is weaved in Igbo land. It is either hand weaved or weaved as part of akwete. So it is an Igbo cap, indigenous to Igbo people, not imported. Some people weave it by themselves and wear on their head. It is called OKPU-AGÜ because of the stripes you see on it. You can see the stripes. So I'm wearing this not as a sellout, but in identification, in unification with my Igbo kith and kin. So this is our identity. Not even selling out, but mixing in. Not losing who I am, because you will definitely still see me wear Nkofu Abobo Ume. So this is an Igbo cap, and I'm going to explain how it is worn. Now there are different ways you wear this cap. It will tell a different story. You see I'm wearing it without folding it here. It tells a different story as well. Let's analyze them. You see why I'm facing this? Because this, images on a camera that are facing you in a selfie kind of setting are inverted. So follow my words and not really the video itself. This is my left hand side. I know it will turn to right hand side in my video, but this is my left hand side. When I turn this OKPU-AGÜ, it means I am in a good mood. I am in a happy mood, and I'm going for a traditional occasion. It can be Iwaji, it can be any festival of my community, a traditional festival. I will put this on my left hand side. If I'm in a happy mood as well, I'm going for child dedication, birthday ceremony. This is my right hand. It is also a celebration. If I'm going for condolence visit, for a very sad event. If I'm going for something very, very important, and I do not want anyone to disturb me, to show that I am going for something very, very urgent and important, and I do not wish to be disturbed. Ndị mmadụ jekwa ya na mbụ na ọkwete ezidu anyị shu. Ilike hụ ndị onye ekpune na mbụ tekwa egwu jekwa. Onye ebe nọ ga-emenye ike ịnwe ebe sno majie. Wa maji okpuni nke ododo ekwesịghị a na-agọsị ni. Wa maji sha anọ ka ododo enwe na-agọsị. Marakwa na osue o. So these are ways of wearing the OKPU-AGÜ, but there's one very important thing you should note as an Igbo person. If you are interested in wearing this OKPU-AGÜ, one very, very important thing. It is a traditional thing you should know. Why is it so? Because there are some rites you are supposed to have passed before you are handed over this type of cap. Particularly in Western Igbo land, it is in Ogwashuku. You don't wear that Ozo cap in Ogwashuku if your father is still alive. So if your father is still alive, it is your father who is meant to be wearing this. For instance, if my father was still alive, I wouldn't be wearing this. I'm wearing this now because my father is no longer alive. That qualifies me first to wear this. I don't know if it is the same in your own community in Igbo land or it is different. Let us know in the comment section. I hope I have not stirred something. So if this is how it is done in your part of Igbo land, state it in the comment section. If that's not also how it's done, also let us know. But one key thing you should know is that how you position this tail, Ododwa, tells a story. You can't be going for a function where people are happy and making merry. No. How you position the tail matters a lot. This time, I'll position it to my right because I am very happy wearing this cap for a very first time. Thank you for engaging with our videos. Thank you for sharing them to your audience. I'm inviting you to come to our channel and see other very interesting and exciting videos you can share to your audience. Do have a very lovely day. Thank you for supporting Enuani Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Thank you and do have a very blessed day.
Hey, Luan.